Is social media an important part of your SEO plan? Well, it should be. Let's talk about that. Social media is a great way to share your message with clients or potential clients or your existing customer base. Some of the easiest ways to do it are on platforms that you probably already use. There are plenty of channels for you to share your content on to get in front of your consumers or your potential customers. But what system should you use? Well, that all depends on your business. Facebook is a given because virtually every customer you encounter, whether they're B2B or B2C, is on Facebook. The question is, how do you target them? With a good SEO partner or a good online marketing partner, you can tap into the very specific interests of typical customers and generate marketing opportunities through the online ad platform provided by a site like Facebook. But if you don't want to work completely in your mom and dad's social media network, how do you get out there? Well, Twitter provides an extraordinarily good platform for one-off messages that you can repeat over a period of time or vary slightly from message to message that will hopefully get you a little more traction. You've also got sites like Pinterest or Instagram or Snapchat, all of which have very specific target markets, but they're target markets that can be exercised if it's right for your business. For the average business walking through the door that I talk to on a daily basis, Facebook is number one. Number two, LinkedIn. And then if there's still time, move on to one of the other services. If you deal with businesses, start with LinkedIn. And if you deal with people, start with Facebook. No harm in getting your message out there. Just don't overreach. Don't extend beyond what you're capable of supporting. Because in order to do it effectively, you've got to keep a pulse. And that means you need to have a heartbeat of content or engagement or interaction that extends out onto these services at least once every few weeks, so that over the course of time, you are seen as a valued contributor to the conversation. That's how you use social media in your SEO plan. I'm Greg from MTech. Thanks for watching.